Imagine mountain life with room enough for the whole family. Hi, I'm Kim Brown with Welcome Home KB and Gallus Properties, and I want to take you on a tour of this incredible brand new build that's coming to market. And 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, very hard to find a 4 bedroom, and come with me. So all luxury vinyl plank flooring, extra wide, so beautiful. Look at this great room. Fireplace with the veneer stone. We're all central water, sewer, natural gas here. Very easy, quiet cul-de-sac, and close enough to walk to Lake Pagosa. Look at this island. Isn't it incredible? I think it's so gorgeous. San Juan Homes just does the most amazing job. You would think that this were a custom, but it is a spec home. So this is how much they put into their builds. Just extraordinary. All upgraded appliances, stainless steel, but quasi-commercial grade. The island has an undermount microwave and storage. So very well thought out. This is a 2-story, and we are on the 2nd floor and came in the front door. So all main floor living here. Laundry, really nice convenient space. And then we have our bath that takes care of the one room up here, as well as the common area. And then we have our primary suite with beautiful, beautiful bath, walk-in shower, double sink vanity, and huge walk-in closet. All right, let's stroll down. Look at the beamwork in here. This is a signature of San Juan Homes. They do this in their own shop, and it always impresses me because I think it adds just that extra rich touch. So come with me. We're going to go down on the bottom floor, and look how wide the staircase is, by the way, as we're coming down. 2 more generously sized bedrooms with a full bath, with a tub and shower and gorgeous vanity. So this was designed perfectly down here too for multiple reasons, as I can think. Out here you have a lot of toys, off-highway vehicles and dirt bikes and paddle boards and everything that you can think of. So guess what? We have an oversized garage. We put our in the toys. Look at this, extra long bay for a truck. Hey, a lot of people drive really big trucks. So this was designed with that in mind. Windows, I love it. The garage has windows, and we have a tankless Navion hot water heater, and just more storage. And this home has forced air heat as well as air conditioning. You do not find air conditioning in Pagosa very often. So you have to come see this home. You will not be disappointed. And we're right at 2,000 square feet. It's just under a 1/4 acre lot, and feels bigger than that even. So come see it and bring your whole family.